Hi, third graders. I am back and I am going to go over our math that we need to do this week. So if you'll turn to page 87. 87, I'll go ahead and get my visualizer up and we will start. I hope y'all are having a great week. Remember, if you need any help at all, just call or text me. I do not mind at all. And also have your questions ready for Zooms on Tuesdays and Thursdays. All right, let's go ahead and get started. If you look at the title, it's saying describe a multiplication expression as a comparison, such as 3 times 24. That means 3 times as much as 24. 3 24s. So I add up 24, 24, 24, or 3 times 24. Okay. Now, this is page 87 again. You'll need to know how to do 87 so you can do 88 and 89. All right, here we go. Number 1. If Mike has 8 blocks, how many blocks does Teresa have? So Mike has 8 blocks. How many blocks does Teresa have? We're looking for Teresa. Teresa has 4 times as many blocks as her brother Mike. If Mike has 8, how many does Teresa have? Okay. Teresa has 4 times. Teresa equals 4 times as many as Mike. Teresa equals 4 times. Mike has 8. So Teresa has, what's 4 times 8? 32. C is your answer. Number 2. How much does Bumper weigh? We're looking for Bumper's weight. Kelly has 2 dogs, Max and Bumper. Max weighs 30 pounds. That sounds like the total of Max, how much Max weighs, which is 5 times as much as Bumper. How much does Bumper weigh? We're looking for Bumper, and it's saying Max weighs 30 pounds, which is 5 times as much as Bumper. So 5 times what will give you 30? Here's Bumper. This part right here is Max. He weighs 30 pounds, but that's 5 times as much as Bumper right here equals Max. So 5 times 6 equals 30. Now let's go back and look if that's right. It gives you the total. Max weighs 30 pounds. So Max equals 30, which is, this is 5 times as much. So if you divide it by 5, because you do the opposite, if that way is 5 times as much, you do the opposite, and you will find how much Bumper weighs. 6 times 5 is 30. So if they already gave you a total, and they say this is 5 times as much as what you're looking for, then you have to find a smaller amount. But up here, it was saying 4 times as much as this. So you're trying to find the total. They already gave you a total. You're trying to find a part. Gets a little confusing. All right, number 3. How much money did the club earn at the bake sale in May? We're looking for how much money did the club earn at the bake sale in May? In April, a club raised $84 at a bake sale. In May, the same club raised 3 times as much money as another bake sale. So this is what they did in April. And in May, it raised 3 times as much. Okay, so we're looking for how much in May. And in April is $84. In May, it was 3 times as much. So we need to multiply 84, add 84 plus 84 plus 84, which is 84 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Put down your 2, carry the 1. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Make sure you know how to do these for 4th grade. Okay, now you could always add 84 plus 84 plus 84 and you'd get this, but you're expected to know how to do a 2-digit times a 1 digit. 252. That's your answer. Now you were trying to find the total because this was not your total. This was just how much in April, but in May it was 3 times as much. So it's 84, 84, 84. Okay, number 4. You're going to use this chart right here to answer number 4 and 5. Which statement correctly compares the lengths of Chugger and Little Lady? We're going to compare Chugger and Little Lady. Here's Chugger. Here's Little Lady. All right. Here's the length of the boats. So these are the names of the boats. This is how long it is. Here's Chugger, 18. Here's Little Lady, 36. So Little Lady is bigger than Chugger. Little Lady is twice as long. Well, let's see what 18 plus 18 is. Or you could say 2 18s, multiply it. Little Lady is twice as long as Chugger. So it's probably that one. Chugger is twice as long as Little Lady. Is Chugger bigger than Little Lady? No. Little Lady is 3 times as long. Well, we already saw 2 times is 36, and that's what we wanted. 3 times would be another 18. Chugger's 8 feet shorter. So that means is, let's say, 36 minus 8. Borrow. That's 28, not 18. So 8 feet shorter means you minus, and 28 did not equal 18. So Little Lady is Little Lady is twice as long as Chugger. So all I did was do 18 times 2, and it equals Little Lady. And Little Lady is twice as long, so that means it's bigger. It is A. Okay, Athena is 4 times as long as which one? So Athena is bigger 4 times as which one? So we're going to erase this so I don't get confused. You don't get confused either. We're going to look at Athena, and it's 4 times, it'll focus in just a minute. There we go. It's 4 times as much as which one? Still not focused. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it'll stay. Okay, so it's saying this is 4 times bigger than which one? So if you multiply these by 4, which one is going to equal 40? I bet you can already tell. 10 times 4 is 40. That's what we want. The falcon. So let's go back and make sure that's right. Athena is 4 times as long. Or you could also say 40 divided by 4 times as long, you get 10. Or fact families, 10 times 4 is 40. It is D. Okay, be careful on the wording. It can get a little confusing. If you already see that Athena is 4 times as long, that means it's bigger. So it's bigger 4 times as which one? Okay, so watch the wording. You're going to need to know 87, how to do 87 to do 88, which there's 5 problems. And then 89, which is only 3 problems. So there's a total of 8 problems. So that's not very many. So go slow, watch the wording. If you need any help at all, call or text me and I will help you. Or save your questions if you want on Zoom and I will help you then as well. All right, y'all have a good day.